Alright, so welcome to the introductory video to limits. We're going to be examining sort of what is the concept behind limits. That way you can better understand it, and so that when we do start actually doing some limits, the concept won't be foreign, and you'll be able to link it back to this idea. So let's see what we have here. It was an otherwise peaceful day in Mathville Heights. Letters and numbers living in harmony. And functions going about their business. Few citizens realized that F of X, notorious crime boss, had most of the town's numbers in his domain. One day, 2 went missing. Oddly enough, that same day, an anonymous tip came into the constabulary. 2 committed a crime with F, it said. Well, as you can guess, the police don't have a good relationship with F, and 2 is missing. Fortunately, they have a secret weapon, a detective known as Lim. Lim is short for limit, but he prefers to be called Lim. Lim is on the case, and since he's a terrific detective, he knows just what to do. He'll ask around. So Lim pulls out his notepad and he makes a few quick notes to himself. That looks like an arrow, but that says X goes to 2. And it reminds him to interview X's that live in the neighborhood of 2. And F of X, and it reminds him to ask the X's that he's interviewing what F has them do. That way he can see if F has special plans for 2's neighborhood. We write that as the limit of F of X as X goes to 2. So Lim walks into town, everyone knows him, and they pretty much like him, so they talk. 3 says he just played golf with F. And 1 says she went to the zoo with F. Lim's getting frustrated. Maybe he needs to question those closer to 2. Well, 2.1 rented a boat with F, and 1.9 bought some cement for F. 2.01 drove the snitch, 7, to F's mansion. And 1.99 fitted him for shoes. Lim was starting to put it together. F must have had 2 murder 7 to keep him quiet. Lim concluded his investigation. He had gone home by the time the captain came in the next day. His report read, 2 murdered 7. Lim's an amazing investigator. He knows that the closer to home you go, the better information you gather. He knows if neighbors don't give consistent stories, then he can't report back. And he knows that people that live far away don't often know a lot about the missing person.